and thing right now. There, I'll go a bus stop to get something for go other people them work. So whenever I reach work, I'll link you up. Guys, so right now I'm here with Vaughn.
Vaughn.
We are buying lunch. We are buying tasties as per usual.
Soup, man, like super dupe.
What kind of soup you are buying?
Pea soup.
Okay.
What they have that?
We're supposed to have that, but I want to just buy our food. I don't know if I fry. I don't know if I buy it, but I'm going to buy some. As per usual, you guys, I'm going to show y'all. So not to worry. Vaughn, you going to show me a soup, ain't you?
Yeah, man. You see me?
Yeah. Alright. We'll finally get my lunch around here.
Yeah.
Move back to.
So I have my soup here. Soup.
Yeah, and I have my food. Let me show y'all. Soup look nice though, Vaughn. And this is my food. This is fried chicken and baked chicken and rice and peas and veg. So, yeah. It smells good.
Yeah. My one piece of chicken is in me.
Yeah. You know I'm gonna share food.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
I'm not share food.
You put a spit on me, so.
I'm here to take that menu. You guys know some? See, I'm here half an hour, half an hour, and then Vaughn and some.
It's a piece of chocho. Right. There you go, guys. Piece of chocho.
You may want to chocho.
Sykes, not doing enough food.
So that's for lunch. So what are you guys having for lunch? Let me know in the comment box. When I food time, I'm going to start with time. That's true. You guys are special amount for starting to work. But I'm going to try to put them out. You know what? I know I'm getting hungry. So we'll see you when we're done, alright?
Bye-bye. Say peeps, done my soup, everything. Chilling me with the board. You see me?
Really? Well, we finish off my lunch. But it not really wrap me, but can't hold me to my reach room.
Make me rather pea soup than chicken still. I'm gonna get the chicken already, alright. So I'm gonna go sit down on TV and I'm gonna chill, isn't it?
No. So, I'll talk to you guys when I'm leaving. So, I'll see you guys later. Okay?
See you guys.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, what I'm saying?
Yeah, you couldn't have disrespect your talks to me.
That means I come on a general.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, on for really go and left me door.
You see me?
Why won't you go and left me?
Yo, me go tell you and you never did it. So just move.
So because I wasn't there?
Yeah.
Say this here?
You never know.
But tell them, I'm going to tell you. I'm not really tell you directly. I'm going to send me a talk to the security man and ask some questions.
No move still.
Look how me I talk to him and him just walk on.
Son.
But the sun is going to burn me now. So, yeah. So we're on our way home.
I feel myself look good on the vlog, man.
Yeah. I just reached and what I'm going to do right now is to pull up my hair. Put it out. So, that's going to take a time because I'm going to do it myself. So, I'm just mostly comfortable and I'm just reach out my hair and thing. So, I'm going to use this and pull up my hair. So, see you guys when my hair pull out. So, guys, I just done finish pull up my hair. I just get my dinner. I'm not saying you can't see because Cause the place dark and such. So I go home. Right about now. Police them are come. And so I'm reach home. I'm chat soon, alright?